We're going to look at how to make a factor tree and how to figure out what the prime factors are of a larger number. The first thing we need to do is figure out what number we're going to make a factor tree for. Let's start with something simple like 36. This is the number that we're going to find out what the prime factors are. Now, the first step is to break up 36 into two numbers that we can multiply together to get to 36. We could go 6 and 6 because together those equal 36. Is 6 a prime number? No, so we can keep breaking up our branches here. 6 can be broken up into 3 and 2. Same thing over here, 3 and 2. Now 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 2 is a prime number. So we have our prime factors of 36. We can write it like this, 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. The cool thing about this is we can take this expression down here and multiply the numbers together, and it's going to bring us back up to 36. So that's a good way of checking that you have found the prime factors. There's more than one way to get to the prime factors. Like 6 times 6 is just one way that you can break up the number 36. If we wanted to do it in a different way, we could go 36 here and break it up into 2 and 18, because 2 times 18 is still 36. Now 2 is a prime number, so that branch is done there. 18 can be broken into 9 and 2. 2 is our prime number, so that branch is done. Here we can go 3 and 3. 3 is prime, so it's done. So our numbers are 2 times 3 times 3 times 2. Now these numbers here are going to be the exact same as these numbers. It doesn't matter what branches we use to get to the prime factors, they're going to be the same. If we multiply these numbers here, it's going to give us 36. We multiply these numbers here, it's going to give us 36. Why? Because they're the same numbers. 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Let's do an example with a bigger number now. So if we have the number, let's say 132, it's a bigger number. One trick is if you have an even number, you can always divide that even number by 2. And 2 is a prime number, so that's going to be end of a branch. So let's put 2 here. We split 132 in half, we're going to get 66. 2 is prime, we can circle that, it's done. 66 can be divided in half. We can make that 33. And 2 we know is prime. 33 can be broken down into 3 and 11. 3 is prime, so is 11. Let's plug these numbers into a calculator. 2 times 3 times 11 times 2, it's going to give us 132. So we're taking a big number, we're making some branches, figuring out what the factors are, and then ultimately what are the prime factors of the original number.